Everyone, Chris Whitaker here. I'm going to show you how to use breakout rooms in Zoom so that you can get your students working collaboratively or cooperatively online. So I've got my Zoom meetings here. I'm going to assume that you know how to use Zoom and the basics. And I unfortunately don't have anybody else in a meeting right now, but what I'm going to do is create a new meeting and we'll just pretend that there are people there. So if I start my new meeting, there we go. There's a meeting happening. So I am the host of this meeting. And down here, I have a number of options. One of those options that you'll see if you're the host is breakout rooms. So if you click on breakout rooms, you get a pop-up window that comes here and allows you to, first of all, it tells you how many participants you have in your meeting, but it allows you then to create 2 or 3 or 4 rooms. And you can either automatically have students or participants be allotted to the different breakout rooms, or you can manually do it. In this case, I'm going to pick automatically. It will also then show me how many, on average, participants are there per room, so I can set up quite easily 5 rooms so that I've got 4 students per room, and I'll see all that on my screen. So I'm going to go ahead and create the breakout rooms even though I don't have any participants with me. And what you get is, as the host, is you get another window that opens up that tells you about each of the breakout rooms, and you can assign people to that room, but you also can visit the room. So you as the host are not assigned to any room. What will happen is when you create the rooms, so there'll be a red button down here, when you open the rooms, people will be automatically or manually assigned to those rooms. They will disappear from your screen and they will be in the breakout rooms. So in the end, you'll be left alone in your meeting with all of your students in your breakout rooms. You can then do things like you'll be able to visit your breakout rooms. It doesn't show it here, but you'll be able to visit breakout rooms, which means that you become a participant. You'll see what they're doing. You'll see the chat. You'll see the whiteboard that they've started to work on if they're working on whiteboards or using the chat. And then you'll be able to leave without interrupting their breakout rooms. So that can go on for as long as you'd like. You can, at some point, you can send messages to people in the breakout rooms, but you can also stop all the breakout rooms. When you click the button, again, once you've opened the rooms, down at the bottom here, you'll say close. You'll see an option or a button that says close breakout rooms. When you close the breakout rooms, what you do then is you get, every participant gets a 60-second notice. There's a countdown, and then they will be brought back into the regular group. So they're not brought back in automatically, right away. They're given a 60 seconds to finish their conversations, and then they're brought back into the main room. And you'll see automatically the students repopulating your screen as they come back into the main conference, into the main Zoom meeting. So that's how you do it. It's really quite easy. Create breakout rooms is one of the options down here that you'll see in your Zoom window meeting. You can set all kinds of, if you'd like, you can have the chats recorded in those breakout rooms. You can have the white boards recorded in those breakout rooms. That's all up to you to set. But it's really quite easy. Click on breakout rooms, select the number of rooms you want. Automatically, you can have students automatically assigned to each room. And then when you open the rooms, they'll be sent to their breakout rooms. It's a great way to get students to start to chat, to work on problems together, to exchange with each other as they're working on problems at their desk. And it's something I'd highly recommend for active learning strategies. Hope that helps.